I have a question.
Please.
So it's not related at all to the Shia, but what's it called? Does it matter these days if you have if you wear cotton tzitzit or wool tzitzit as a garment?
Is it cotton or wool? Okay, it's not. Does not make any difference, but it says in Shulchan Aruch, even though it's all acceptable, right? It's all acceptable. It's probably like if you want to do the mitzvah on the highest level, you do wool.
Okay. Second question. So I know that for at least for both tzitzit, you have to have a garment underneath so it doesn't touch the skin.
No. What's that? Stop there. Then no.
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 I've heard that. Okay, I heard that. Okay.
No. What's that? Okay, I want to explain his question because it's very interesting question. So it says that one of the garments. Okay, step back a little. Okay, so it says in Shulchan Aruch, of course, it's from Torah. So if you have 4-corner garment, you have to tie the tzitzis on the corners. So technically, if you don't have such a garment, you're not obligated to tie tzitzis. Right? You're not. So, but garment, you wear a garment the way you want it. Of course, Shulchan Aruch says, Mishnah Berurah says, it's proper to do it on a short. That's what this comment is from, right? So I wear it on top of my short. But some people wear under the short. You understand? So, and some people, so even under the short, it's like proper to have undershort, but not because the talus cannot touch the undershort. It's the body. It's not. The reason is it's practical reason. I was asked this question many times. The practical reason, you're not going to wash this talus like every time. You understand? So right. So that's why proper to have an undershort, and on top you have talus. But if you wear talus, again, it's a garment. You wear it on your body. There is no problem whatsoever.
Okay.
Yes, thank you. I just want to add one thing about talus. So some people say, okay, so it's optional. I like this. So all of the people who trying to cut corners, they they made on the like same stamp. It's unbelievable. Exactly same questions, right? So they say, right. So maybe if I don't have this four corner garment, like for example, you short. It's only 2 corners, right? On the back, it's rounded. It's never like it's not talus. And plus, you short, it has to be open on the sides, right? Even though there is some taluses, they made from like a T-short, right? A T-short and tzitzis. But if you see, they close here a little, like this much, and they open like on the sides. It's open. It's 100% kosher. If somebody wants to buy like talus like this, there is no problem. Okay, I would. Doesn't matter. It's kosher. It's kosher, right? So, but personally, I say I don't. Since I'm not obligated, I don't have this special towels. I don't have to go out of my way. And plus, where I live, it's very hot, and all of these nonsenses. We heard them before, right? But the prophets say that when turbulences, right, when judgment comes to the world, HaShem is going to start the judgment from whom? From people who did not wear tzitzis. Why is that? Because it was such an easy mitzvah, and you just brush it off like it's nothing. So for just for us, I understand. Every second you wear talus, you get a mitzvah. Every second, right? And many people, I also we sleep in the talus, right? We sleep in the talus, and why? To get the mitzvah, of course, the mitzvah for a talus is only when it's light. When it's dark, like from learning yesterday about when the night starts, from a night until the first light, there is no mitzvah of talus, right? If it's not first light, it's a little later. There is special mitzvah of the first talus and tefillin. Okay, we're not talking about that. So let's say, but in the summer, let's say you sleep like at this time you're still sleeping. So if you would wear a talus, you would get your sleep and you have this residual income. You understand? Every second you would have this mitzvah of talus, okay, of tzitzis. So it's a very, very important mitzvah, and try to do it. And if possible, do it on the highest level. Do it on the highest level. That you get yourself a woolen talis. And first, it seems like very hot. I don't know. To some people, they say hot, but then people get used to it. It's like everything else. People get used to. Okay.